Hello traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how Bank Nifty is going to be behaving and what are the key levels for tomorrow. Like I did mention yesterday that anything it breaks below 34,908 that it is going to achieve the target. Please go ahead, replay that video and you will get a complete information about the targets that we were actually looking for. So today we were on the positive side because the data was indicating a positive direction, but we somehow ended up crossing this level, and by which we ended up making a lot of profits over here at RLTR in the live trading room. So Nifty Banks becomes very crucial tomorrow. Any opening below 34,695 can easily squeeze your target tomorrow, and that target will be somewhere around here at this level. So 34,505 is where I'm expecting Bank Nifty to go at. So let's say if we open sideways or open gap up or come down and then break this level, so 34,520 will be a very crucial point that will give you a lot of money. So please wait for 34,714 to break, and this would be your target. But if somewhere after 130 the level of 34,500 has been broken, then you're going to get a very big hero zero scenario, and that hero zero scenario is going to take you till 34,269. So these are the levels to watch out for the downside. And for the upside, I think until and unless Bank Nifty breaks this particular trend line and closes above 35,000, I don't think I'm interested to buy any call over there for tomorrow. So let us go ahead quickly check on Nifty. So Nifty has become drastically weak over here over a period of time, but remember that it has come to a zone where it can take a support and bounce itself back. But however, there is a slippage that can be expected. So if Bank Nifty has to go down tomorrow, so Nifty will be trading somewhere around 15,675. So I would say this Nifty can be considered as a buy on dips market, because I think IT and pharma might overperform tomorrow, which might just go ahead compensate for whatever Bank Nifty is doing. But however, Nifty is quite on a confusing stage, because until this exact level, let me just plot it down for you over here, which is somewhere around 15,840, I'm not going to be buying calls. Okay, and inside the zone of 15,840 and 15,713, I will say there will be no trades in Nifty. So please be careful, please keep that in mind. And only on a downside movement, when it takes out 15,713, I'm going to quickly go ahead, trail my stop loss to my cost price if I'm going to be initiating a put, and then wait for it to go ahead and break this level. And if this happens, then hell will break loose, and we can see 15,595. That can actually be your target for tomorrow. So stay tuned for this, and upside might be limited for now, because if you just go ahead and move it to a daily basis, what it is forming over here is that it is clearly forming rejection onto the top level. And even if you go ahead and take Bank Nifty for that matter, it has been falling down for the last 3 days, and it just needs a bit of a support here, which I think there will be present at 34,500, and from there will be a retracement candle, or else the fall will continue. So please be careful on these levels, trade with less quantity tomorrow. There will be a lot of money to make in future as well, but remember, until and unless Bank Nifty is under this area, my position size is going to be very, very less. So between 34,000 and 36,000, please ensure your position size is less, because Bank Nifty is going to try to cheat you to get your points, and only option sellers are going to make profit. To validate that, please cross check it with the wicks and you will know what I'm talking about. So with this information, I thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day. To join us on a live trading forum, go to www.rltrgroup.com. If you want to watch a very good testimonial about what happened on a live trading today, how somebody was able to make minus 12K to plus 4K in live trading, that information is available on the Telegram channel. The link is given on the description below. With this, I thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a beautiful day. Take care. Jai Hind. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye for now.